Si RCB, bakit bawal ang AF? Abbreviated na nga, bakit hindi
Diba?
pa pwede?
And also, R18 na ngayong film eh.
Yeah.
So hindi pa pwedeng ipakita na AF.
Oh, at hindi naman binanggit yung
Bakit may
word.
tanging ina? Bakit may tanging ina yung lahat? Bakit may tanging...
Nandamay ka ba?
no. I mean, just being real.
Oh.
But, I don't know. Ganun, mo, pagdating sa ganyan, luck of the draw talaga, I guess. So, diba?
So, how would
it
you...
is-
Go.
Yeah, it's AF. It's an acronym. And it means always forever joke. But
So how would you explain now yung A+? Para siya naging streaming
A+
platform.
ka. Summa cum laude ka sa pagiging marupok.
Wow!
Yeah!
Oh.
Ay nako, kung pumunta yung streaming platform, dapat AF pa rin siya, I feel. Diba?
Right.
So, I think, alam na, Cinemalaya last year, so 1 year na siyang umiikot. People know it as AF. So, even me, I'll say it's AF.
Sa akin, pasok siya last year ko na list. So, this year pa lang ba siya? Bilang ipapalabas pa lang siya this year?
Ipasok mo siya uli sa list mo. Yes.
Kasi, may paying audience siya last year, di ba? Meron ba? Or,
Hindi, Cinemalaya. Well, nagbayad yung mga tao for...
pero hindi pa considered
Hindi yan.
commercial
No,
run.
Hindi yan commercial run. One screening
Pinush
lang.
mo yan, yung commercial run. Why did you push for it now?
Why did I push for it now? I think, well, naghanap lang talaga kami ng good partner. Alam namin na, again, yung state of Philippine cinema, di ba? Yung parang, ano yan, always on my mind talaga. As in, parang, oh my God, what's happening to us? What's happening to our industry? At alam ko naman na yung Marupok AF, ano siya, di ba? Medyo iba. I mean, medyo mature. Ano siya, medyo edgy, whatever. So, naghanap lang talaga kami ng, okay, ano yung pinaka-okay na chance, pagkakataon na ipalabas to. Thankfully, yung Ayala Cinemas was willing to take a chance. I think, Maris deservedly is a super big star now. So parang, it's now or never.
Hindi mo
And of
inisip
course,
na idiretso na lang sa streamer?
I think, alam mo naman yung streamers right now, mas style talaga yung kailangan after theatrical.
Oh.
I think na-realize na, so, yeah, so, na-realize sa mga, I think as of late, yung streamers more or less after theatrical na. So, I think yun yung mangyari. Hopefully, it gets picked up.
Kor, kanina you mentioned na parang sad ka ba? Kung doon sa nangyari doon sa talagang Beanie character. Can you parang say something about that again?
I think actually sa pinaka end parang may parang diba yung epilogue post na the Beanie is still working, hindi lang siya nakakredit kasi yun yung balita namin. And then sure enough, only 2 weeks ago may lumabas na video na nagdidirect siya on set. So like parang para saan ba tong lahat ng virtue signaling na, di ba, lahat ng, di ba, ultimo mga politicians, what this person did is wrong.
Exactly.
Di ba? And then, yun pala, at the end of the day, di ba? At palaging naman nangyayari yun in the story of the Philippines. Di ba? Oh, may jail, tapos the next week, back in power.
Yes.
So, yun.
Yeah.
Kaya, parang,
So there's really no justice in this
oo,
country.
may justice pa talaga. Yan! Yung Facebook group natin. No, yun, di ba? Like, ang lungkot lang kasi, is there really, parang cancel? Are people really canceled? Are people really, made to pay? Is there, di ba? Yun.
Tapos meron kang pinagawa kay Maris na very self-love scene.
Nako!
Sensitive na scene.
Paano mo
Nako.
pinitch yun sa kanya? Paano mo siya napapayag?
Alam mo,
Sabi
actually,
niya
to her,
nilaban daw niya ha. Gusto niya raw
Oo.
talaga yung scene.
actually, so binigay ko sa kanya yung script. Sabi ko, may eksena dyan.
Ganyan lang.
May eksena dyan. Feeling ko, baka hindi mo magugustuhan. Kaya usap na lang tayo pag nabasa mo na. And then 2 days later, sabi ko parang, nabasa mo na. Sabi niya, yun ba yung yung self-love scene? And sabi ko, kailangan eh. Yeah! So
Game
galing!
siya.
Kasi parang, what? What an awesome actress! So yeah, yun yung,
Easy lang pala.
yeah, oo. So siya talaga. And then galing on set, super professional, kailangan ng second take, tara, gawin na natin.
Na second take yun.
Yeah, second or third take pa nga eh. Pero
Ang ganda nung kinalabasan.
Thank you. Oh, kasi, oh.
Kinalabasan?
On that note, thank you.
Thanks, God.
O, pa-invite na, direct.
Okay, panoorin po natin July 10 in Ayala Cinemas.
Exclusive.
Marapok, AF.
So kung exclusive sa ano, sa
Pinapagalitan nga ako ni Marinel, dapat A+.
So
Marapok
kung
A+.
exclusive sa SM ang ano, Grandma, eto ang
Oo.
exclusive.
Ano, sa tayo ba kayo o sa Pinoy? Una!
Ito ang sagot. Sagot ng Ayala.
Oh, so yeah, please panoorin nyo. I mean, at panoorin nyo as a group in theaters. Balik natin ang cinematic experience.
Yeah.
Walang, ano, yeah.
There's nothing like it.
There's nothing like it.